We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT with an Asian cultural context in mind. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account, or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main chat interface. Here's where the fun begins. To explore Asian cultural contexts, you can start by asking ChatGPT about specific cultural practices, traditions, or even language tips. For instance, you might type, "Tell me about traditional Chinese festivals," or "How do you say hello in Japanese?" as a way to dive into the richness of Asian cultures. If you're planning a trip or doing research, you can ask for etiquette tips like, "What are some common dining manners in Korea?" This way, ChatGPT can provide you with information that respects and represents the diverse cultures of Asia. You can also request ChatGPT to help with language learning by asking for phrases or basic grammar in languages like Mandarin, Hindi, Korean, or Thai. Simply type your request, and ChatGPT will generate responses that can help you get started or improve your skills. Remember to be specific with your questions to get the most accurate and helpful responses. You can even ask for book or movie recommendations from Asian authors or directors to further immerse yourself in the culture through different forms of media. The key is to leverage ChatGPT's ability to provide nuanced information by framing your questions thoughtfully. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.